Hello Internet. In this video, I share my HMI schematic layout and PCB Gerber file. This is my GitHub about the DIY HMI keypad. Here is the schematic layout of HMI keypad. These 6 push buttons connect to HMI GPIO 0 to 5 for profile switching. I use Arduino Micro as the microprocessor. These 12 push buttons connect to the microprocessor. I use these 2 pins as a software serial connecting to the TX and RX of HMI. These are the extra power supply to HMI, which takes around 350 mA in full brightness. This is the microprocessor reset switch. For software serial communication, I recommend using PB ports of the microprocessor. In my case, I use PB6 pin 10 and PB2 pin 16. I also add 6 debouncing capacitors for the mechanical switches. For these 12 buttons, I reserve the solder pad for debouncing capacitors. I use software debouncing instead. This is the Gerber file for PCB fabrication. This is the PCB guide's host dimension. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.